name's Coaster. Everybody thinks he's a boy because he has long hair. I'm going to show him every room.
Hi, Coaster. Hi, Coaster.
I was just waiting for him.
Oh, oh, such a big boy.
Do you like it? Look, they're the same size. Same size. You know what's her name? Princess Anna. She's going to sit on the couch and take a little rest. Oh, I mean lay down. She's going to lay down. And she can rest right there. She's going to bed. Everyone's going to bed. It goes in.
Coaster, go play with something. You can grab something. Go ahead.
Sleeps there.
Go ahead. Play. Can you play?
Okay. Let's just leave. Come on. See? He follows me. Isn't that funny?
He is a good babysitter, Claire. Watch out now. Hey, you gotta turn around and kind of take his hand, make sure he's okay. Good boy. Grab the rail, Coaster.
He's getting to learn to walking, kind of, because it looks like it.
Okay, help him down, please, Claire. Kind of stand in front of him or hold his hand.
What if he doesn't?
We'll offer it to him. Good job. Good job. You're a good boy. Have fun.
Come on.